Climate scientists have for years pleaded with world leaders to do something, anything, about the far-reaching effects of climate change. Pledging action was a cornerstone of U.S. President Joe Biden's election campaign. Members of the president's party coalesced late last week and announced the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 that includes, among other provisions, the most ambitious climate agenda in the country's history.
The bill will lower health care costs for millions of Americans. It will be the most important investment, not hyperbole, the most important investment we've ever made in our energy security and developing cost savings and job-creating clean energy solutions for the future.
The announcement follows months of sometimes public disagreements between Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and West Virginia Democrat Joe Manchin over what could and could not be in the bill. But last week, that all seemed to change.
This is an Inflation Reduction Act. We're investing. We're not spending money. We're investing. We've taken a $3.5 trillion aspirational bill that I never could come to an agreement on any way, shape, or form, but I tried, couldn't get there. And we've taken $3.5 trillion of spending down to $400 billion of investing without raising any taxes whatsoever.
The bill, which currently faces a procedural hurdle before a vote in the Senate, also addresses energy costs and independence. But Republicans remain wary of the Schumer-Manchin plan, much of which was negotiated in secrecy.
Much of what he says is just not true. For example, they are raising taxes. According to the Joint Committee of Taxation, the taxes will be raised almost $17 billion in the first year on those who are making less than $200,000. And the percent of taxes raised for individuals increases over time for the middle class and the lower income. They're raising taxes on people who make less than $10,000.
Democrats refute that claim. They say the bill avoids new taxes on families earning less than $400,000 a year, while also lowering drug costs and bolstering the Affordable Care Act made law under Biden's former boss, President Barack Obama. The energy programs would involve a mix of clean energy and fossil fuels, the latter of great interest to Senator Manchin, who represents a coal-heavy state. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 would require Democrats' full support in this week's upcoming vote as Republicans appear unified in opposition to it. Arash, Arabasadi, VOA News.